Bailey? Bailey? Get off my laptop. We got guests on today's episode. Everybody, this is Chloe. Say hi, Chloe. One second. And this is Bailey. Say hi, Bailey. They're gonna help me unbox today. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so today we've got with us the Amazon Echo Dot. Now this is the 3rd gen. They've since recently released a 4th gen, which I haven't got my hands on as yet, but I will. And as soon as I do, I'm going to enjoy it because I think this is probably one of the coolest things Amazon has ever made. I also have alongside the Echo Dot a Sengled smart bulb. Thank you, Roy. Okay, so what are we going to start with? Not that bike, obviously. Wow. They just don't want me to record today.
There are 3 people on that bike.
Really? Mm-hmm. Interesting. So we're going to start with the Echo Dot. I'm going to put this right there. And Amazon makes it very easy for you to open their boxes. Ooh. You get this? You get this? You get this? Do you see this? Do you see this? Come see this. Come see this. Come see this. Alright, so this is essentially what it looks like in a nutshell. Okay, this is very sleek. I like black on black. Black on black on black. So that's good. What else we got in here? Got some booklet with some instructions, blah blah blah, trash. Things to try on the Amazon trash. Alright. And we've got okay. This is it. This is what comes with it. So we've got the Echo Dot and we've got the Echo Dot plug. Alright, so this is all that comes in the box. This is pretty much it. This is the Echo Dot 3rd gen. I'm amazed. Alright, let's see what's in here. This is the smart bulb. I wonder if it looks smart. Can this, hold on, let me, Alexa, open box. That didn't work like how I thought it would. Alright, maybe I have to take the bulb out of the box first. That probably helps. Trash. Doesn't look very smart, but I assure you, it's smarter than you and I put together. Or maybe it's not. Okay. My executive producer said it's not smarter than us put together, but okay. I'm going to take their word for it. That's pretty much all that comes in. So, get rid of that. So this is it, folks. We've got the Echo Dot 3rd gen, comes with a plug. And we've got the Sengled smart bulb that should work alongside it. We will test these out and we will present to you a review video where you can see exactly how this works, what it does, and how well it does it. So thank you always for your support. Remember to subscribe, remember to like the video, remember to comment down below, give me your initial thoughts, and you can also give me suggestions of things that I can ask Alexa to do. So, if you want Alexa to sing you a nice song or to give you a joke, please drop it down in the comment below and we'll see how that works. And remember to share. Share. Don't be mean and stingy with the content. Let's get this out there so other people can enjoy it and also see what some of these products can do. Thanks again so much for the support, guys. Until next time, peace.